Good morning, guys. It is Vlogmas day 18. Let me double check that. I took yesterday off vlogging. It was just one of those days where I really didn't feel like it. But you didn't miss much. I just kind of did some chores around the house. I went to the gym, wrapped a few presents, pretty much it. So this morning I am up a little bit earlier. I just made myself some toast and tea. Today is actually going to be my sit-down filming day. I've been trying to get at this now for a while. But yeah, I have that magnet mask review that I really need to finish, and there's a couple of other things that I want to film too, which I'm going to leave as a surprise. That is what is on the docket for today. My mom gets up. I'm not sure if we're going to be at anything. She just finished her last shift. She's a nurse, by the way, so she had a night shift last night, and now she's off for Christmas break. So I'm going to go ahead and eat my toast now before it gets cold, and Skipper winds it off my plate. He loves toast. Mommy always feeds him toast, so he loves toast. Skippy, do you love toast? Do you love toast? Figured I'd give you guys a little sneaky peek behind the scenes. So I've got my stuff laid out there for the videos I'm doing. My camera's on the tripod now, ready to go. That is what my background is looking like. I sit on a stool like that. It's a folding stool. That's why it used to creak a lot. And yeah, I just finished getting ready. I figured I would share what I got on my face. For primers, I did my like summertime primers because I tend to sweat a little bit. I get pretty warm when I'm filming. So I've got the Smashbox Primer Light, Photo Finish Primer Light, and the Kiehl's Micro Blur Skin Perfector on. Then for foundation, I did the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin in the shade R210, because that one's a bit more mattifying. Under the eyes, I've got the Tarte Shape Tape on. For highlighter, I did the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Opal. And of course, my usual setting powders by Rimmel Clear Complexion Powder and Laura Mercier Pressed Setting Powder. Brows, I've got the Brow Wiz on. I've drawn them a little bit more dramatic because I find it shows up better on camera. And then for eyeliner and mascara, they're the same as always. The, where is it? Yes. The Lancome Grandiose liner in black and the L'Oreal Voluminous Butterfly in black. For contour, I'm using the Kat Von D Shade and Light. The blush is the MAC Cosmetics in Mocha. And then for eyeshadow, I did a combination of the Urban Decay Naked 2 and the Stila Eyes Are the Window Shadow Palette Spirit. I used the shade Kitten on my lids, and the rest of it is Urban Decay Naked 2. So, on my lips is Maybelline's Mesmerizing Magenta. I wanted to go with something a little bit brighter today, kind of feeling the deep lipstick, or at least bright, loud lipstick today. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and film, and I'll catch up with you guys after. Too much? Nah. Never too much. I should wear that in my hair every day. And we're on to video number 2, and the memory card was full, so I had to clean it out. There we go. Okay, back to film. If you're hearing screaming in the background, guys, it's because there is an orangutan documentary on TV, so they come. But I found this really funny thing on Facebook, and I have to share it with you. So apparently this person asked a bot to watch over 1,000 hours of Hallmark Christmas movies and then write its own Christmas movie, like Hallmark style, and this is what it came up with. We see a single mother refilling snow globes with Christmas juice. She is widow. Her husband died in every war. Every single one. Businessman has flashback to when he was business boy. A Christmas tree explodes his family on purpose. He now hates trees and Christmas and explosions. He exits the flashback. Single mother points to her husband's bones in the corner of the room. They are all gift wrapped in eggnog.
I'm dying.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all.
Is it on? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Go.
Cheers.
Start of our Christmas baking. We've added a new tradition. Rum. So now we've started. There's the butter going in, and the flour has been sifted. And this combination over here is coffee and spices. Can't tell you everything because then we'd have to shoot somebody. We're making gingerbreads tonight, a long-lived family tradition.
Wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas